Good morning students, my name is Ishita. So today we are going to start our first poem of English, that is The Ice Cream Man written by Rahel Field. So during summer seasons, right, we all carve for ice cream, right? Different flavors of different colors, different taste, and every one of us love ice creams at any age. Children's and everyone loves ice cream. And what if during summer season, when it is hot everywhere and extremely summer we are experiencing, and at that very moment we see a man coming with a cart full of ice cream with a sparkling bright face during summers towards us. So it is a very bonus for us that during summer ice cream itself is coming towards us. So in this poem we are going to see how children are enjoying the sight of an ice cream man. When summer's in the city and a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. During summer seasons, right, as we are living in city, in Ahmedabad, it is extremely heat and extreme summer we experience. Everywhere there's a blaze of heat, and at that very moment the ice cream man with his little cart beneath his round and colorful umbrella, he is coming down towards us, towards street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh what a joyful sight to see him filling the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. And beneath his round umbrella, under his round umbrella, he is filling cones with mounds, pile of ice cream, lot of creamy milky ice cream. He is filling the cones with white, brown and other colors. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, oh chilly things to drink, bottles full of frosty fizz, green, orange, white or pink. And he is having lot many flavors of ice cream like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry and other. With that he is also having chilly things to drink, cold drinks. He is also having cold drinks to drink, frosty fizz. And when we open the bottle of that cold drink, we feel bubbles and fizz that is coming out, and that is also different color, green, orange, white and pink. His cart might be a flower bed of rose and sweet peas, the way the children cluster around as thick as honeybee. And his cart is like a flower bed of rose and sweet peas. Poet is saying that he thinks that his cart is like a flower bed, a garden with lots of colorful flowers where children are happily playing around, or the beehive where children are clustering around like honeybees and buzzing around happily. Now let's see the hard words. Summer, brisk, blaze, trundling, beneath, umbrella, mounds, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, frosty fizz and cluster. Now meanings: blaze, bright flame of fire; trundling, moving on small broad wheel; mounds, heap or pile; frosty fizz, chilled drink making a huzzing bubbling sound; cluster, gather around or group of similar things. Again we'll see the meanings: blaze, bright flame of fire; trundling, moving on small broad wheels; mounds, heap or pile; frosty fizz, chilled drink making a hissing, bubbling sound, and cluster gathering around or group of similar things. Again we'll see hard words: summer, brisk, blaze, trundling, beneath, umbrella, mounds, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, frosty freeze, and cluster. Thank you.